Hey folks, it is definitely beer 30. Been a long day. So, we are going to take a look at Breckenridge Avalanche Amber. Okay, and Breckenridge says it's a caramel malt body with light hop character, and that's all they deign to give us. Thanks, fuckers. Anyway, I hit up the Gulag machine, and the Gulag machine tells me it's 4.4 ABV. Fuck all for any kind of IBUs, but it says it has a kiss, mind you, just a bittering kiss of hops. And it also says it's an amber red ale, which I guess some kind of mashup thing. Looks nice though. Good color, nice head. Looks like the head's got a decent body to it. You can smell the hops. I'll tell you what it really smelled like. It smelled like the bar my grandfather used to take me to when I was a kid. I used to play shuffleboard. That's what it brings up for me. Doesn't smell bad though. Let's see what she's got. It's a pleasant memory. I miss my grandfather and my pops too. Salute to both of you. And scout for Grandpa. He's sweet. Pretty light, pretty bland. I really got nothing off the initial hit. I haven't had a beer yet today. What are you doing to me, fuckers? Squizzy. This is really a non-memorable beer. Can I drink this? Yeah, easy, no problem. Nothing to it. It's like the Big Ten light beers. Kind of garbage, except hopefully it's, non-GMO. Good warm weather beer? Yeah, definitely. I'm kind of surprised for an amber or brown, because those are usually an amber or red, because those are usually colder weather beers. Don't taste the kiss of bittering hops, or hell, I didn't even taste the malt. It's a truly bland beer. I'm going to give this a 3. Only because it's drinkable. Otherwise, we wouldn't even give it that. So, Taj Mahal still holds the bottom slot at, what did I give it, 2.5, 2.75. This is above it, except I'm hoping the ingredients are better. Anyway. First beer, no. Last beer, probably not. Warm weather beer, yeah, good warm weather beer. That's about it though. Completely forgettable otherwise. Alrighty folks, thanks for tuning in. You guys have a nice rest of your Sunday. Adios.